Hello guys, in today's video I am showing you a beginner friendly eye makeup. So first you need to prime your eyelid. Do not set your eyelid with the powder because later on we will add a powder eyeshadow. এটা তোমার আইশ্যাডোটাকে স্টিক করতে সাহায্য করবে. Now take a pink eyeshadow and just tap the eyeshadow on your eyelid. You don't need to be perfect. একটু একটু করে হালকা হালকা করে চেষ্টা করো যাতে ব্লেন্ড করতে পারো. টেক আ লাইটার পিঙ্ক শেড. এবার উপরে ওই শেডটাকে ব্লেন্ড করো হালকা হাতে. তোমরা একটা কালারও ইউজ করতে পারো. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon and don't forget to click the all button. If you like this video, please tap the like button and leave a cute little comment. And do the same in your lower waterline. Now take a highlighting shimmer color. তো আমি এখানে একটা ব্লু টিন্টের কালার নিয়েছি. তোমরা চাইলে যে কোনো কালার নিতে পারো. তো সেটাকে ব্রাশ দিয়ে ভালো করে সেট করে নাও. Now take a white eyeliner and apply it in your lower waterline. You can take a nude eyeliner also.
Mask on just like I'm Jason. I know that you bounded to get complacent. Pop out the smoker as Tay-Tay about how her day went. Just know I've been.
So আমি এখানে একটা wing করেছি. So if you want you can skip the wing part, but please add a eyeliner on it because এটা beginner friendly. তাই জন্য আমি এখানে wing দেখাচ্ছি. করলে তোমার আইটা খুব সুন্দর দেখতে লাগবে, একটা টানা টানা কাইন্ড অফ এফেক্ট দেবে. সো এরপর আমি একটা ইনার কর্নারেও একটা উইং করেছি, সেটা পুরো আইলাইনারটার সাথে একটু যোগ করে দিয়েছি, তোমরা দেখতে পাবে. So if you don't know, I am a professional makeup artist. If you want to book me in your special day, go to my description box. You will find a link of my Facebook page. Click this link, go to my Facebook page. You can find how to contact with me. So please go to my Facebook page and like my Facebook page.
Give me that money. Yeah, man, give me my money. Give me my money. Give me my money. Yeah. Give me my money. Damn. Give me my money. Give me my money.
So you can draw a double liner kind of a look because I thought it's cute, so I try to do that and it's turned out so good. So you can do it too. So if you want to do a wing eyeliner, please take your time and draw your wing eyeliner very slowly because wing eyeliner can be little bit tricky. So now I'm highlighting my brow bone. It's look very good. Now I'm applying a mascara. Now you can apply false lashes like me, and you can leave it like that, and this is my final look. So if you like this video, please thumbs up and leave a comment, and please subscribe to my channel. So bye bye for this day.
Hey, check this out though. I gave you 10 a week ago. You told me that you got me when your check came home. I've been waiting patiently cause you my homie, bro. But times is getting hard, so I'ma need to see that cheddar though. You ain't been picking up, you finding escapes. I might have to white you out just like you Colgate. You been ducking at the crib thinking that you safe, but little do you know I'm posted right up in your driveway. I'ma beat you up, I'ma tear you down, I'ma turn your little smile into a big ol' frown. Cause evidently you don't wanna send a message now, and you holding to my money like you Oscar proud.